What's up, guys? So today we're back with the video. We're watching Florida man steals 2 police cars during chase. I know I've been gone for a few days. I went to visit my grandmother and my uncle, make sure they were good. But I'm back, fully loaded. About to spam you guys with videos. Make sure to like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's get straight into it. Oh my. Are we in the helicopter? We got the helicopter view? That's nice.
105, 110, trying to catch up. They're still a little ways away.
Oh! Yo, bro, that's exactly what the cops doing. Yeah, bro, word to me, that's exactly what the cops do in GTA.
10-3.
And excuse my hair, my girlfriend started it, but she had to run out real quick. So I don't even care how I look. It's not that serious.
The 252.
They hit him and he...
Every unit behind us, stop traffic. We got plenty up here.
Like, who is that stupid to really try to run from the police, bro? That's crazy. That's honestly stupid in my eyes.
Shut it down. Car in the woods, can't see the driver.
And they hit him dead ass straight into the bushes, like... What state is this in? Yo, niggas in Florida though, y'all niggas in Florida love stealing cars. I realize that. Florida, Atlanta, like y'all really do that shit over there. Like y'all dead ass think that shit's cool.
Drive the car out of the woods.
Well, that's crazy.
Alright guys, we're gonna get 2 shields, we're gonna approach. Trying to rock the car back and forth so he's still inside.
Can we get some ground coverage, man? I ain't seeing shit. So did the cop car get ran up in there too? Oh nah, they moving in like the task force, bro. They backed out the K9. They got the... He looked like the riot shield, nigga. Yo, look at those guns. I ain't no cop get guns like that. Oh, he the sheriff. Yeah, they brought out the riot shielders. And yo, that cop hit him right at the back and that boy spun out, yo. That's crazy.
Hey, y'all, do not walk up on this car. We got enough people up here.
He's running? Yo, did he really just try to run and take the police car? No way. No way. No way.
Going north on 95.
Bro, no way did he just... I'm so confused, bro. So did he just run?
Hey, y'all, do not walk up on this car. We got enough people up here. Press the dog!
Is it another cop? Is it a civilian? Because if that was a civilian, why didn't they just shoot him? Why did they let him get away with the car? It looked like they gave him enough time to start the car, back up, drive off. It's like they want to do this. These cops are bored, bro. They're looking for entertainment. There's no way that guy just got away from that situation.
Hey, get behind the car! Oh, you kidding me?
I'm so confused right now, bro.
You got him? What? Where'd he go? 41 and another 16 northbound.
If they really just let that nigga get away like that, y'all are the worst police force in the history of police forces. Y'all should all get fired for that right there. I don't know. That whole thing ain't make no sense to me.
Black Coco K9 Explorer.
Okay, we got units coming up just south of Dunlawton. It's the only vehicle coming at you. Center lane, blue lights on. Only vehicle, about 3 seconds out.
It's the only vehicle coming at you. Middle lane, 3 seconds out. Yo, he caught that perfectly, bro.
Vehicle dealing with them, lock your door.
Oh, they tried to hit boy tires. Nah, these cops don't know what they doing, bro. They're inexperienced. Shit like this don't happen often where they live.
14 to whoever.
Cause this guy is.
You want the traffic to stay put?
I really want to understand if this is a civilian or is this another cop? Cause nothing's adding up as to why he was able to get back in that car. Matter of fact, why he was able to crash his car,
Still north.
hide in the bushes,
half-mile south.
hop in their car and skirt off. That don't make no sense.
Lieutenant Shank, I need to know if there's any guns in that car that he just stole in the front.
Still northbound on 95, passing Dunlawton. Traffic stopped on the on-ramp for Dunlawton. Still no traffic northbound center lane.
The channels are patched now with 5.
Which car? The Coco car?
Coco SUV. In the shoulder right now.
Ticket to both corridor units. Full ticket.
Yo, he is gone. Imagine he hop on the radio and start talking
Are there
crazy.
guns in the front of the car? Ask the K9 handler from Coco. He said yes, there probably is.
You know there's guns in that car. Come on now, don't try to act brand new.
Vehicle smoking north of 95, or north of Dunlawton by about a half mile. Going
Yo,
into
he
the
deadass
inside
think this
lane.
is GTA, bro. His car deadass smoking and he's still
Officer's
gone.
vehicle.
He took the police car and hit the lights. Wow.
Don't be in the same lane with him. You're going to lose debris all over the road.
Inside lane, he's starting to slow down. It's about a quarter mile south of Williamson overpass.
K9, I wonder if you're not already. Hurry up and get up here. I'm coming. Hey, you guys, let K9 to the front. Let K9 to the front. Car 1, make sure we get some long guns up here, too.
Still northbound, north of the Williamson overpass.
Like guys, I just really don't know what to say. Like I hate the videos like this where it's just so confusing.
X-ray 11's at 92. Does it need more sticks or no?
There ain't really much details. We're just getting this one camera
Everybody
view.
hold there. We need a K9 up here. Mike, where you at? Passing Williamson.
Like, how do y'all even catch him? It looks like he's literally dashing it
Break
on
for
him.
the median. Everybody slow down. Don't ball up here.
It's underneath the wires. Underneath the wires. In the median.
Oh, they pulled up.
Temple, there's going to be a K9 in the signal 10.
10-3, 10-3.
We got one thrown down on the ground.
Yeah, y'all was bored. Respectfully. Respectfully, I was bored. Y'all wanted to do this. Because y'all didn't have to do this. Y'all wanted to do this. But then again, you can't say that because if they would have shot him the first time, it would have been a situation. It would have been like, you didn't have to shoot him. You could have called him and chased him. So it's never a win. Nobody ever wins in situations like this. This is why we just don't need nobody dying.
With their vehicle into the woods.
The cops ain't win. The civilian ain't win. Just know he's gonna get dealt with though. He's gonna get dealt with. He probably just wanted a story to tell. Like he probably knew his life was over. He's like, yo, I'm gonna enjoy this shit before I go back in, bro. Cause I just see no ass reason as to why he just did all that. Another thing I'm starting to realize with these cops is like, I think they decide when they turn their camera on or their audio. Cause a lot of the videos I be watching out here like, oh, just turn their audio on and then the shit start. So I don't know, man. But this young man right here will be handled. I can promise you that.
America. A CIA. A Central Intelligence Agency.
Nigga say he's CIA, bro. Shut up. He's watching too much conspiracy theory videos.
Make sure he doesn't have any weapons on him.
This is crazy.
Get somebody to see inventory what's in this.
What is this? Now it's locked. Coco, where's Coco at? That blue. That white. Why? That, give me the
No. Take him. He goes to them. We're in their county. They take him.
911.
We got to book him in the
337. Officer integrity. I said call him. Hey, woo!
Hey, don't put him in the car.
Hey, Theo, kid, all way. Black and
Spread your
white.
feet.
Hey,
Spread your feet.
F-150. F-150. Ready to the house. Herbert. Camouflage.
Quiet.
Edward.
Bro, thank God for cameras, bro. Like, niggas be trying to hang on the cameras and the social media, bro. But like, if we have cameras, we would not be seeing shit like this, bro.
That's the police's.
Like, imagine the world without YouTube, my nigga. Like,
y'all see the headlights. Y'all see the truth. They say a helicopter. 3 pilot red tails. Green stage 2. Green stage Coco. Police. Red stage 5.
Hey, where's Brady?
What's fishing?
Brady.
Say double change. Y'all say okay. Pull him in. Y'all say here. Go to Georgia.
There's a CST right here.
Right here. Right there walking. Close this way. Y'all say catch. F-150. Pull him to the dogs. Y'all say GMO. I say God. They got who? The devil.
what is he saying?
FBI. Say CIA. DEA. Harvard.
That's mental illness right there.
Vicky.
That sound like Charlemagne the God.
Say Bell Cubby.
That's mental illness right there. Go get you a therapist.
Say Trooper. F-17 FPL. Florida Patrol Economics. DOT. Department of Transportation. Blue. Never say go. Go say true. Don't call stay officer. Say help.
Yeah, I know these cops just want to punch him in his mouth. Because I want to punch this nigga in his mouth. It's annoying.
They gonna kill you.
I like that. My boy Sheriff, chill. Outside. Y'all want to that ass be a cop, bro.
Y'all say blue. They say soldier.
Probably when I'm like 25, I probably.
Y'all say blue.
I want to be mad rich and then just gonna be like, yo, I want to go be a cop. That'll be so funny, yo.
No, SRX. I'll go back. Y'all kill him.
You might want to start double checking.
They say I'll come back. Ain't true. Y'all say F-150. Volusia. High State. Dog. FFP. Florida State 50121. Check in. Y'all say Soldier Bulldogs. I'm in trouble. Y'all say who? 5-day college.
Yeah, I know.
Nigga, all this memory, you should want to be a fucking politician or some shit. Nigga, you over here just ranting on. Nigga, shut up. Fuck.
I say Fred. Y'all say what?
Watch your head.
Volusia County. Fred.
Oh yeah, he's crazy.
Fred, come and see you. Go to jail.
How was he able to dash it so far? I don't know. You can say, oh yeah, he's crazy. All I see was his mouth.